How's it going, guys? Today, just want to share to you my other modification on my Superduke R Evo. So I removed the silencer on the stock exhaust and the flapper bulbs and fitted a ESE kit for flapper bulb delete kit. This is the exhaust pipe. I pulled out this silencer from there. It was sitting like this, and this other pieces from there. It's kind of hard to do it. It's been in the butt. I used a Dremel to cut it around and free this silencer, and then you can be able to pull it out. And this is the flapper bulbs from here. So now it's hollow, better sound, more torque. I cut this piece from here. I used the Salso electric. Yeah, and then just pull it out. And now there will be a hole from this bolt, so I put this back on there to plug the bolt with this spring. So now everything is back on there. The exhaust, no silencer, remove flapper bulbs, and install ESE delete kit. Let's hear the sound. Hopefully no fault codes, and nothing so far. Wow. It sounds better. It gives a little bit of bassy sound, deep sound. I will rev it up to 5,000 RPM. It used to be this bulb closing when you reach the 4,000 to 6,000 RPM. Hold it open. It sounds good. Wow, I love it. I love it. It feels like no more delay on revving the engine on the mid-range. Yeah, I love the sound. It gives more raspy sound on the mid-range. And also, I plastic dip this because this area here of the fairing is easy to scratch. It's shiny black, so I don't want to scratch it, because one time I got a big rock chip here, almost hit my glass. I plastic dip this one too. And now it looks good. I'm enjoying it. Even this, I plastic dipped it. It was this kind of paint. It's easy to scratch this area here. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Like and subscribe.